In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Squarespace changes in just 5 minutes. This step-by-step guide is perfect for those of you who are new to Squarespace, or if you found yourself scratching your head wondering, how exactly do I make sure that my changes are saved? Well, worry no more, I've got you covered. First things first, let's head over to Squarespace, open your preferred web browser, and in the address bar type in the Squarespace website URL. This will take you to their homepage, which is the starting point for everything you're about to do. Once you're on the Squarespace homepage, look for the login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on login will take you to the next step, which is logging into your account. Squarespace offers a hassle-free way to log in using your Google account, so let's take advantage of that. Go ahead and click on Continue with Google. This streamlines the process, and it's especially handy if you've got a lot of passwords to remember. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account you want to use, or the one you've previously linked with your Squarespace site. This should take just a moment. Now, once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to your website's dashboard. If you have multiple websites under your account, find the specific site you wish to edit. Often you'll see your site's thumbnail or title, making it easier to identify. Click on your website to proceed to its dashboard. Remember, each Squarespace site has its unique dashboard where all the magic happens. With your website dashboard open, it's time to dive into editing. Look for the edit option. This could be represented by a button or an icon, depending on the layout of your dashboard. Clicking edit will take you to the editable version of your site. This is where you can let your creativity flow from tweaking text to changing layouts. Now, the fun part, making changes. Navigate to the block or section you want to update. Squarespace's editor is pretty intuitive, so click on the block you wish to change. Once clicked, you'll be able to edit text, swap images, or adjust settings specific to that block. Take your time here, play around with it until you're happy with how it looks. After you've made your desired changes, here's the most crucial part, saving your work. Look towards the top left of your editor screen. You should see a Save button. It's your best friend in this process. After you click it, all the changes you've made will be saved. This is an important step because if it's not done, all your hard work will be lost the moment you navigate away from the page. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make changes and save them on your Squarespace site. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you tinker and explore Squarespace, the more comfortable you'll become with its interface and features. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles, layouts, and content until you find what works best for you and your site. Thank you for following along in this step-by-step guide. Whether you're updating a blog, tweaking your portfolio, or launching your brand new business site, I hope this guide makes managing your Squarespace site just a bit easier. Good luck and happy editing.